Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play a hunter in Destiny 2. Hunters are known for their agility, precision, and ability to deal significant damage. They are a fantastic choice for players who enjoy a dynamic playstyle, often involving quick dodges and critical hits. You have access to 3 powerful elemental subclasses: Arc, Solar, and Void, each offering a unique set of abilities to master and deploy in various combat scenarios, making them incredibly versatile. Let's dive into the Arc and Stasis subclasses. The Arc Strider focuses on close-quarters combat, delivering rapid, electrifying attacks and powerful melee supers. It's perfect for clearing out multiple enemies with its staff. The Stasis Revenant, on the other hand, specializes in freezing and shattering foes, offering exceptional crowd control and strategic battlefield manipulation. Both provide distinct ways to dominate encounters, whether up close or by locking down targets. Next, we have the Solar and Void subclasses. The Solar Gunslinger is a master of precision, using golden guns and explosive knives to deal massive damage, especially against high-value targets and bosses. The Void Nightstalker excels in stealth and team support, turning invisible to reposition or revive allies, and suppressing enemy abilities with its super. These 2 subclasses offer a balance of raw damage output and crucial utility for any fire team. To truly master the Hunter, remember these key tips. Your dodge ability is incredibly versatile, allowing for quick escapes, reloads, or ability regeneration. Always look for synergy between your chosen subclass abilities and your weapon perks to maximize your effectiveness. Precision aiming is paramount for hunters, as critical hits significantly boost your damage. Finally, don't be afraid to switch your subclass to best suit the specific challenges of each activity you undertake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.